Good morning, dear students. Exercise 3.2, question number 2, the sixth subdivision. Find the LCM. Here three polynomials, okay? 3. 2x square minus 3xy the whole square, 4x minus 6y the whole cube, 8x cube minus 27y cube, 8x cube minus 27y cube. Let's try to factorize one by one, okay, these three, and go for the common factors first and then the uncommon things, right? Yes. So this is equal to, listen carefully, here x square, here an x is there, so I can take one x outside, okay, x. So x is outside means this is 2x, 2x. Here x is outside, so 3y minus 3y. All these are under the whole square, so I write the whole square. So this is, I take the square of x, so it is x square. Here 2x minus 3y whole square. Okay? Factorized x square into 2x minus 3y the whole square. Can you follow? First to take the common factor. Everything inside the square, inside the square. So the whole square is there. Right? Be careful. Then, here. I take this. Here also a common factor is there. So equal to 2 is a common factor. So I can write 2 into 2x minus 3y. All this inside the whole cube. So whole cube. So now take 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. Then 2x minus 3y the whole cube. Okay? 8 into 2x minus 3y the whole cube. Factors. Then come to this. This is equal to, we can write this form. 2x the whole cube, 3y the whole cube. 2x the whole cube minus 3y the whole cube. What is the form? Can you follow this? A cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. What are the factors of a cube minus b cube? I will write here, okay? A cube minus b cube. Factors of a cube minus b cube. 9th standard you have learned the formula is a minus b, a square, ab plus b square. Do you remember? A cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. If it is a cube plus b cube, here it is plus means a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. A square minus ab plus b square. All of you must remember this, okay? A cube minus b cube. Here a is 2x and b is 3y. So this will be a minus b into a minus b, a square, a is 2x, so 2x the whole square, plus ab, 2x into 3y, plus b square, b is 3y, so 3y the whole square. So we get finally 2x minus 3y into 2x the whole square is 4x square, 2x into 3x 6xy, plus 3y the whole square 9y square. Remember this formula, we are substituting this formula there, okay? Yes. So all the three polynomials are factorized. What is the LCM now? You know, first of all we have to select the common factors and the highest power we select. We have 2x minus 3y the whole square here, 2x minus 3y the whole cube is here, 2x minus 3y is here. What is the highest power among these three? The highest is here. So we select that first. 2x minus 3y the whole cube. Then go for the uncommon items. For 2x minus 3y we select, see this is uncommon. We have to write that. So 4x square plus 6xy plus 9y square. Everything taken? No, something is missing. This 8, here an x square. Okay? So this will be 8x square into this 8x square. They are not common, even then we have to take them. Then the higher power for this 2x minus 3y. This is the higher power. You took. Then the next uncommon thing is this. That's all. LCM. Okay? Thank you.